Okay, guys, so we are going to look at this video. This picture. And what is this a picture of?
A frog.
A frog. What kind of frog?
A bullfrog.
Right. So, what do we notice about it?
It has warts on it. It's green.
Good job. It's green. Okay. So, what about its environment? You said a leaf.
Like
Okay. What color's the leaf?
Green. It blends in. Camouflage.
Yay. Okay, we're gonna come back to that.
It's wet.
It's
Oh,
wet.
it is wet.
Okay.
It's like your.
That's a good one.
Blends into the bushes.
Okay. So we're gonna go to. What about this one? What's this?
It's a polar bear.
It's Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola. Okay. So it's a polar bear. What color is the polar bear?
White.
White. Okay. What about it? What kind of, where does it live?
In the Arctic.
Okay.
In the cold.
And what color is its environment?
Cold.
What color is snow?
White.
White. Okay.
It
So.
blends in.
So we're gonna here are these two. So we have a bullfrog. And I can't read this. And a polar bear. Okay. So what did we say about the bullfrog?
It's green. It's green.
It's green and wet. Okay.
Yeah.
And about its environment?
It's by the water. It's a green
Okay.
leaf. It's green leaf.
Water, green leaves. Okay. What about the polar bear?
It's
White.
fluffy.
Furry. It's big. It is big. Look at
It
this.
looks like a bear, like a bear that's out in our woods.
Okay.
There ain't no woods. Where you see trees at?
It's on the woods.
Okay. And what about its environment?
It's
cold.
Oh.
Snow.
Ice.
And it seems like it's hot with the bullfrog.
Snow.
Like humid. Bulldog. Bullfrog.
Okay. And what color was the snow?
White.
White. Okay. So, what do we notice over here? So the bullfrog is green, and so is its environment, right?
Yes.
Okay. But over here,
It's white and its environment is white.
Oh, wow. Right.
Blend into something when it's a little bear. You can see the spray.
right? So we are going. So what Anna said it earlier. What is this called?
Camouflage.
Camouflage, right? So camouflage is when.
Is that the black and white green stuff you buy at the store?
No, it is not. That is used to camouflage yourself when you go hunting because you go hunting where?
In the woods.
In the woods. And the woods are what?
Brown and green.
Yes, so the camouflage that you buy at the store is brown and green. But we're talking about animals naturally camouflaging themselves through what they look like, the color of their skin, the characteristics.
Can they change their skin?
Some can,
Like
but
a-
most of them we're talking about natural characteristics.
Chameleon. That's
Chameleon,
it.
yes. Okay, but some are born like this and they look like this so that they can camouflage themselves without having to change themselves.
That's cool.
Yep.
It's better.
Is well. Okay. So I'm gonna hand this out to you. Okay.
I'm so scared.
And today we're gonna have class outside.
Yay! I enjoy seeing
Okay.
that.
And
Cold.
so we're gonna pretend that we are birds.
You like this picture, right?
Yes, like the picture. And so we're gonna go on a feeding adventure. So we're all really hungry birds. And so we are going to have to go and find food. So we're going to find food in 3 different places because after the first place we're not going to be full.
Good job, Lionel.
Yes, I can.
So mean.
How many environments?
3.
3, right. And in each environment, there's going to be lots of different kinds of food. They're going to be different colors. And the list of colors is on your recording sheet. But before we go outside, I want you to answer the question of can somebody read the question for me?
How does altering the environment affect the relationships between life forms?
Right. So we're going to make a hypothesis. So do you think that the environment is going to affect the colored food that you find most of?
Yes. I think
So you're going to have the 3 different environments are going to be a grassy area, a flower bed, and concrete. So what color do you think you would find most in each of those? Okay. But in the concrete, which color do you think you would find most of?
brown,
Brown.
black,
Okay.
concrete,
Or
black.
brown stands out more than green.
Oh, yeah, like neon color.
Okay. What about the grass? Which one do you think what color? Okay.
You don't want to see green?
And
Huh?
Grass.
what, you're gonna find more green in the grass?
Yeah.
Or are you gonna
Okay.
find more of like
Different
red?
colors.
It's camouflage.
Okay, well we're not discussing it yet, we're just writing down what we think. It's okay. And then the flower bed, which one do you think that we're gonna find the most, what color do you think we're gonna find the most? Come on, ready?
In the flower bed? I don't know, because flowers are really colorful.
Alright, so we answered this prediction. What food is the bird will find the most in the first round for the flower bed?
Yes.
So what color's the flower bed?
They're pretty colors, so.
Well, the ground on the flower bed, so
So
the
it's like
mulch.
brown?
Yes.
It's like mulch brown. So, but what if it's like multiple ones? It just doesn't pick one color, but there's a bunch of colors to stand out.
Pick one that's the brightest.
But it depends on what shape.
Well, then put all of them. Put all of them that you think. Okay, we're not doing that yet. We're not doing that yet.
Oh, I thought we were supposed to do
No,
all.
only for the
Okay.
first one.
My bad.
Don't work ahead, okay? Don't work ahead.
Please, my favorite color.
Okay, and when you get finished, I want you to grab your recording sheet, a pencil, something to write on, and line up. Okay, we're lining up in a quiet, straight line. Y'all know this. Now we have gone outside. Okay, and our student, Brittany, is holding the camera. Okay. Okay, so now that we're outside, you see our 3 environments. We have grass, flower bed, we know flowers in the winter. Because why don't flowers grow in the winter? Because it's cold. Yeah. Okay, and then we have a sidewalk. Okay, so we already made our prediction for what color we would find the most in the grass, right?
Flower bed.
Flower bed. Okay, so let's come over here to the flower bed. Okay. Okay, and y'all are gonna have 20 seconds to grab as many as you can. Oh, yeah, we're going to go individually. So, Jordan, you go first. Okay, go.
No, one at a time. Do it for her.
No.
No.
She goes.
She has 20 seconds, and then you have 20 seconds.
That's gonna take forever.
Remember, you want a variety. Okay, stop. Okay, Jordan. The next person needs to go. The next bird, you have finished with your environment. Now the next bird needs to come. Okay, next bird, Anna. And while Anna's doing it, I want you to fill out your chart with what you found. Okay, go Anna. Okay, Anna, your time is up.
Man, y'all complain a lot. This first grade.
Okay. So Anna, you do yours. Well, no. You staple to the joint. Okay. Okay. So now, Brittany, your turn.
Yeah.
Go be a bird. And I want you to keep your food. Okay. Your food. Okay, you're done. Now, once you record it on your sheet,
Got it.
everybody record it on their sheet.
Yeah.
Is it yellow or tan? Freak.
No. It's a yellow or tan.
Is it a Cheerio or a Fruit Loop?
It's a Cheerio.
If it's a Cheerio, then it's tan. Okay, so while Brittany's recording, Anna is gonna, or no, Jordan, you're first.
What? Environment.
I want you
Can I put my
to,
food down?
yes, you may, but keep up with it because we're gonna use it.
Pants up.
Okay, so first let's make a prediction for what color do you think you're gonna find most of.
Blue.
Okay, and you write that down.
Yes.
So I want you have 20 seconds to find food in your grass.
Okay.
Go.
Oh gosh. It's wet. Y'all, this is soaking wet.
Okay, you're finished.
Okay.
Okay,
Anna's next.
Anna.
Yes, I can.
Okay, and Jordan, write down your data.
Okay.
Okay. Yes.
Oh, the wind. Ugh. This is so gross. Y'all's grass is so wet.
Okay, Anna, your time is up. Go write down your data. Okay, Brittany, come be a bird. Okay, go. Okay, you're done being a bird. Well, you're not done being a bird, but okay. So now, Jordan, we're coming to the sidewalk environment.
Okay. Let me make my prediction.
Okay, yes, make your prediction on what color you think you're going to find most of.
Brown.
Okay. So you have 20 seconds to find your food.
Okay. They're all crushed. Can I go?
Go. Okay, Jordan. And now record your data. Okay. Anna.
Somebody crap. Like.
Okay, go. Yeah, so sometimes that happens. Sometimes our food is not alive, so we can't eat that. Okay, Anna. Okay, now it's our last bird's turn. Go, Brittany. 20 seconds before someone comes and finds you. Okay, bird, you're done. Okay, now write down.
We're hungry. We're ready to eat.
Okay,
Thank you.
now write down your data.
Alright, I'm done.
Okay, now when you're done, I want you to go back and look at your hypothesis. Okay, and then look at your data and see if your hypothesis was right for each of the 3 environments.
Yes.
And I want you to explain that for your conclusion. Okay, and when you're finished, I want you to pack up and line up. Quickly and quietly. Okay. Okay, so we did our experiment, right? And we made our conclusion. Okay, so what did we get for the first environment? Which color did we find? Red.
I found tan more than yellow.
Okay. So all of that was based on this another bird had come and gotten our food, right? And it also was based on what color the environment was, right? Because it stood out more. Okay. So what about our second environment, the grass?
Tan, brown. Oh, I have the same in a bunch of colors.
Okay.
Red, tan, purple, and brown.
Okay. And why do we think that we found those colors?
It stood out against the green grass.
Okay. Now what about the third one, the concrete?
They're at 20 tan.
Oh, that's a lot.
I have 6 brown.
My babies.
Yep. Okay, and you had what color?
Brown.
And what color?
Brown.
Brown. Okay. So, and why was that?
There wasn't any colors left.
It was bigger to see, and it was bigger
Mhm.
to see, and it stood out against the tannish color.
Well, sometimes that happens.
You just smelled really good or something.
Yeah. You're a very good hunter. Okay. So, can anybody name a animal that you think camouflages very well with their environment?
Polar bears.
Polar bears. Okay.
Frogs.
Polar bears and bullfrogs. What else?
Chameleons.
Chameleons. Okay. What else? Lizards.
Snakes. Alligators and snakes.
Okay. So alligators and snakes. What environment do they live in?
The water.
They're cold-blooded.
They're water.
Okay. And so how do they blend in with their environment?
Because they're the same color as the water.
And they
Okay.
hide in the water too.
Right.
The moss can help hide their skin and stuff.
Okay. So back to your chameleon that changes. There are other animals that change, like there's a snowshoe hare. It changes from brown to white depending on the season. So it's brown, and what season do you think it's brown?
Like the
Fall,
winter,
spring.
fall.
Okay, you would think that, but it's actually brown in the spring and summer. And it's white in the winter because snow. Yeah. Okay. And there's also what do baby deer have?
They have
That's
brown
right.
skin and white
Baby
spots.
deer.
Spots.
They're what?
White spots. and
White
brown
spots, right? So they have white spots because baby deer are on the ground, right? They lay down a lot because they can't walk yet.
I saw this video of a mama deer who left her baby deer in the streets and to die because it's all white. Because it wouldn't blend in.
Okay.
Really
Okay. So they actually. Does anybody know why they have white spots?
to blend in with the patches.
So
they don't get shot.
So they don't get shot. Okay. Yeah. So the ground is brown, and so they have they're brown, so they blend in with that. But then they have white spots because the what happens when the sun shines through the trees? It reflects. Okay, so there's little white patches on the ground from the sunlight. Right, so that's why the baby deer have white spots so that they can blend in. Okay, so does anybody remember what the definition of camouflage was?
Blends in with the environment so it doesn't get eaten.
Okay, through what? Okay, so what are the different types of camouflage?
Green, brown,
Like colors?
No. Like different aspects about the animal. So their characteristics, their color, their size, their shape, stuff like that. Okay. So, what is everybody's favorite animal from today?
Polar bear.
Polar bear. Okay. And where does it live?
Arctic,
Okay. And how does it camouflage to its?
white to the snow.
Okay. And what was yours? Polar bear. Okay. Do you have the same reason as Jordan or a different reason?
It's fluffy.
It's fluffy. Okay. Brittany?
The polar bear.
The polar bear.
gonna hug it.
Okay. All right. So today we learned about camouflage, right? And how it helps both predators and prey. So it helps predators have.
They can stop it like prey.
So they hide because
They're
and so their prey can't see them.
Yeah.
And the
Like
prey,
the lion in the safari.
right? Okay.
Good.
And then the prey, why does it kill?
They don't get eaten.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. Okay. So now that we've learned all that, I want you to use what you learned to fill this out. First, let's write our name on it. Okay. And once everybody has their name on it, I want you to close your eyes. Okay. So imagine you are now a frog, and you're trying to hop home. When you make it to the lake, you are about to jump in the water when you hear a snake coming up behind you. What do?
Run away. Oh, sorry.
So how would you camouflage or blend in to hide from the snake? Okay, so what are some things we said? Camouflage.
Because they're green by green.
Right. I said lily pads. You said lily pads too? Okay, good job.